Welcome all of you. Welcome to the Biological Life Sciences channel. Today we are going to see internet and its related services in this video. So let's begin. Let's first talk what is internet. Internet, it's a global system of interconnected computer networks that uses internet protocol suite, that is IP, to communicate between networks and devices. It's a network of network that consists of private, public, academic, business and governmental network of local to global scopes. Means it can be related to a local area also, and it can be related to a global area also. It is linked by broad array of electronic, wireless and optical networking technologies. Let's see the introduction. Internet or net, it is network of networks, is the largest computer network in the world that connects billions of computers. The word internet comes from the combination between interconnection and network, therefore internet. It's a collection of computers and devices via communication channels, transmission media, and allowed to share resources via hardware, software, data and information. Generally nobody owns the internet. So let's see the brief history about internet. Internet, first time ARPANET, it in the form of ARPANET was introduced by the United States of America Department of Defense. Its full form is Advanced Research Project Agency NET. In 1969 January 2 started an experimental computer network. The concept was there was no server, but equally important participation of every computer to the network was there, and even if one or two network or modes were destroyed, it wouldn't affect the total network of computers. So in 1982 the world internet started. The first free net created in Case Western Reserve University in 1991. US government allowed the business agencies to connect to the internet. Vinton Cerf is the father of internet. He is also the co-designer of TCP/IP networking protocol. There are different services that are being provided by internet. First of all, internet surfing, then www, that is World Wide Web, then web pages, home pages, then web publishing, web browser, search engine, protocol, internet protocol, telnet, HTTP, that is hypertext transfer protocol, then URL, uniform resource locator, then HTML, hypertext markup language, then ISP, email, news groups, video conferencing and FTP, that is file transfer protocol. So these are different services and many more that are being provided by internet today. So let's see what is www. The World Wide Web, commonly known as web, is a system of interlinked hypertext hypermedia documents that is accessed via internet. Hypertext is a text displayed on computer or other electronic devices with the reference to other text that a reader can immediately access, usually by click a mouse button or by a key sequence. Hypermedia, it is the use as logical extension of the term, that is hypertext, in which graphics, audio, video, plain text and hyperlinks intertwines to create a general non-linear medium of information. So it's a way of communicating in the internet. The text used here is HTTP, the language used here is HTML, and it was first time created by Tim Berners-Lee in 1989. This Tim Berners-Lee is regarded as the father of www. He invented www while working at CERN, the European Particle Physics Laboratory. Let's see what is web page. A web page is a document or resource of information that is suitable for World Wide Web and can be accessed through a web browser displayed on monitor or mobile. There are different web browsers in which if you open a page or open a text, it will be called as a web page. This information is used in form, that is HTML or XHTML format only, and may provide navigation to other web pages via hyperlinks. Means like we surf on internet, we connect when one page to another, it is interconnected using hyperlinks. It can contain text, graphics, audio, video, has bulletin, connections, links to other web documents. A web page has a unique address called URL, Uniform Resource Locator. Let us see what is a web browser. A software application for retrieving, presenting and transversing information resources on World Wide Web. It is called web browser. It allows to locate, view and navigate the web. It can have a graphical user interface, that is GUI, meaning that they can display pictures, graphics in addition to text and other form of multimedia such as sound, video like Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, Chrome, Opera, or can be a text-based browser like Linux, Lynx, etc. The first web browser was developed in 1991, that is Mosaic. Let's see different types of web browsers. These are the different symbols of web browsers. So few examples are Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Internet Explorer, Safari, Opera Mini, Netscape Navigator, etc. Let's see what is a protocol, that is a transfer protocol or communication protocol. It's a set of guidelines or rules. Communication protocol is a formal description or documentation of a message format and rules for exchanging those messages. Format that agrees to transfer data between two devices can be first HTTP hypertext transfer protocol, internet protocol, that is IP, which is specific for every device that is connected on internet. Then file transfer protocol, because we can view or download every file due to this, that is FTP. And next is simple mail transfer protocol, that is SMTL, that is we mail the documents through email, Gmail, etc. All are transferred using SMTP, that is simple mail transfer protocol. Then the network news file transfer protocol, it is NNTP. And then last one is transmission control protocol. Normally it all used together and called as a IP, that is internet protocol. Let's see what is an electronic mail. It's a message written that is sent or received over internet. The message can be formatted and enhanced with graphics and may also include other files such as attachments. Like ordinary mail, email have an address, example s12345@eweb.uum.edu.my. It depends on different agencies which are operating the email. For example, if Gmail is operating the mail, the extension will be .gmail.com. An email address identifies an email box to which email message may be delivered. Most email on internet uses the simple mail transfer protocol, that is SMTP. Let's see the advantages of internet. There are various advantages of internet. Few of them are listed below. First is communication. Internet has a very important role in communication between two servers, two devices found anywhere on the web. The next is research. Internet boosts the research by providing lots of information on internet through research journals, research papers, and also help in accessing the research database such as PubMed and PubMed Central. Internet has a very important role in education system also, because nowadays all the education systems are becoming online. They are using the ICT facilities using internet, through which the education learning is enhanced. Financial transactions. Nowadays the offline transactions are not encouraged and online transactions are on a lead, where lots of online transactions are transferred using various protocols such as unified payment interface, then online transfer, RTGS, NEFT, etc. And for updates for different software also we use internet, and there are many more uses that are coming up in these days. Let's see the disadvantages of internet. First is theft of personal information. Personal information can be theft using hackers that are present on internet, then spamming, then malware threats. It is the threats from antiviruses that are being leaked on internet. The next disadvantage is social isolation, obesity and depression. This is also results in the ill use of internet by certain people. Let's see about the search engine, that is Google. There are different search engines available. We are going to concentrate on a single search engine, that is Google. This is the Google logo since 2015. Let's see what is Google. Google is an international American multinational technology company that specializes in internet related services, products, which includes online advertising technologies, a search engine, a cloud computing software and hardware. It is considered one of the big 5 technology companies in United States information technology industry, alongside Amazon, Facebook, Apple and Microsoft. Owners and services provided by Google. Google was founded in September 1998 by Larry Page and Sergey Brin. Both were PhD students at Stanford University in California. Together they own 14% of its share and control 56% of the stakeholder voting power through super voting stock. Google is an Alphabet leading subsidiary and will continue to be an umbrella company for Alphabet Internet Services. It provides various services such as Google Search, Google Documents, Google Sheets, Google Slides, etc. In emails, it's Gmail, And time management, it's Google Calendar. Storage, it's Google Drive. Video message, it's Google Duo, Hangouts, Chats and Meets. Languages, it's Google Translator. Mapping and navigation, it's Google Maps, Waze, Google Earth and Strict View. Podcast hosting, it's Google Podcast. Video sharing, it's YouTube. Blog publishing, it's Blogger. Note taking, it's Google Keep and Google Jamboard. And photo organizing and editing is Google Photos. The company leads the development of Android mobile operating system, the Google Chrome web browser and Chrome OS, a lightweight operating system based on Google browser Nexa devices, and it's released multiple hardware products in October 2016, including the Google Pixel phone of lineups, Google Home smart speakers and Google Wi-Fi. These are the different services that are provided by internet. So this was all about the information about internet and the search engine, that is Google. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please drop a like, share, comment and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching.